Again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. And I just got myself some new round canvases. They come in 3 packs. There's an 8, a 10, and a 12-inch. And I've got my spinner that I got at, I think it was, oh boy, Affiliation, Home Goods. Anyway, so I've got my own plastic acetate cut sheet taped to something as a handle. I've got some paint, regular latex house paint. I'm going to do a bloom. I don't think I'm going to be using any bloom paint though. I'm just going to use what I've got. That may or may not be enough. And adding more may or may not be an option. I'm a little winded. It's been a long August. I think I'm going to start by letting some of that roll around without worrying about spinning it to begin with. I don't shake the paint. I don't do anything to the paint. I am going to use some Prussian blue, some Decor Americana 24 karat gold, some dioxazine purple from Hobby Lobby, which is a master's touch, some hot orchid from Color Art. I'm going to risk a little bit of yellow, which is probably a Hobby Lobby brand, which may turn green considering I just put it next to that Prussian blue. This is a color I made up myself with some leftover Sargent's yellow and a little bit of unicorn spit from, well, it's orange. So now we're going to have some orange. Let's use, do I need anything else? Oh boy. I really want some of that electric blue from Arteza, but it's not open, so we'll wait for another time. All right, so I've got some dioxazine purple. And I'm going to put it right down. And blow it to move it all over. Scrape off my residuals as best I can so as to not worry about wasting anything. Then I'm going to just do, you know what, I'm going to take my little blower before I go any further. Might let that roll around for a second. I do kind of want to add a little bit of enhanced wrecking. Give it a little spin. Wow, that's a bad noise. We may not be spinning anymore. Or I might be tipping. To avoid the squeak, I'm going to have to put some WD-40 on that, evidently. Maybe I'll just go back to using what I've got left, my paint. Right on the canvas, because I can, and I don't see why not. It'll still be interesting patterns. That was a mistake, but I think I can get away with it. Got to be careful of the very gloppy latex house paint, because it will definitely always drag a trail. So that's pretty cool. I'm still thinking about this. Little blower. I just put this on my Amazon link. I will probably touch up my edges, but I don't think I'm done fully utilizing my drippage. I'm going to take and put a couple spirals in there. These things aren't going absolutely perfectly well, but they're not terrible either, except for that drip. I quite like that, actually. Good colors. Make sure I haven't left anything unfilled in. If I have, I'm just going to use that paint. And I will take whatever paint is left around the edges and dab it in place with my fingers when I am done. I don't need to torch, which is good, because I'm a little nervous lately about the way it feels to breathe. But I have improved remarkably. I kind of like what my fork is doing. It's sort of like a basting brush. Give it one more spin. See if there's any spirals I want to stick in there. Call it good. No, not quite like that. Definitely like that spiral. Don't think I can ever not like spirals, to tell you the truth. And I'm all filled in. So this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida, at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, saying thanks for still being here. Thanks for coming again. Post 7 days a week, twice a day, for the most part, seems like, still. I see that. Oh, it just popped on its own. I was about to pop it. Everything is covered pretty well on the sides, believe it or not. And where it isn't, it will be shortly. So, I love you guys. I hope you check out my link tree, where my Amazon link is a great place to go shopping. Let's see if there's a better position for that. There's all kinds of better positions for that. I'll be checking for any little gaps. Alright, you guys take care of each other, take care of yourselves. Check my email address if you have a question or if you have an inquiry about purchasing an artwork, which would be really helpful at this point. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for watching them longer. Thank you for the donations, and you can see a place to donate on the bottom of my right-hand corner of my YouTube channel banner for PayPal, and it'll automatically enter you in the monthly drawing, as long as there is a monthly drawing, and you can check to see if there is one by looking for the exhibition video on the end screen in the last 20 seconds of every video. Alright, you guys, I'm winded. I will talk to you anon. Hope to see you soon. Don't forget you can ask me questions, and if you need information, I'm happy to get back to you as soon as I can. Bye for now. Priscilla out.